The 2011 Chevy Tahoe has its advantages, but the SUV is still a big hulk that drives awkwardly and guzzles gas. On the plus side, it provides readily available power, rides reasonably well, keeps cabin quietness, and provides roomy second-row seating. Additionally, the 6-speed automatic transmission along with the powerful 5.3 liters V8 improves good acceleration. Another strength is its towing capacity. But what about 2011 Tahoe reliability? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Cracked dashboard problem. The most common issue reported by owners is cracked dashboards that appear around 60,000 miles. When exposed to direct sunlight, dashes frequently crack. Owners have two options: replace the dash for $1,000 or purchase a dash cover for about $70. Water leaking. Another problem mentioned by owners is water leaking into doors. When water seeps into the doors, this means the window seal has failed. The parts replacement will cost you about $250. Dashboard lights. Rare problems with traction control and ABS lights turning on are reported after 150,000 miles. The brake switch, whose replacement ran about $350, was the culprit, according to one owner. There also were 6 recalls including ignition lock, rear axle crosspin, steering shaft, airbags, and cooling fan. The steering shaft, which can result in a loss of steering, is the most serious recall. How reliable is the used 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe? 2011 is, in fact, a good year. Numerous positive owner reviews highlight the dependable engine, ample passenger space, and comfortable seats. The reliability ratings are excellent, and there are barely any interior issues. All Tahoes made in the years 2009 through 2014 are good, and we advise staying away from the 2015 model because it has more problems. A properly maintained 2011 Tahoe should be able to last over 300,000 miles, which is longer than many full-size American competitors. According to Repair Pal, the regular annual maintenance costs are $675, comparable to competitors. As the Tahoe reaches 125,000 miles, you should replace engine mounts for $525, spark plugs for $300, and the fuel level sending unit for $900.